In this training, we're going to discuss the My Tools section. This is how to configure per department, and it's made up of internal applications for your business. So when you click on more information, you can see that it's organized by different departments, such as human resources, IT, and so forth. And what happens is, depending on who the user is, they'll have access to only those departments' tools. Basically, all the applications and stuff for operations, for example, will show up in that person's portal. And then if you wanted to add one and then save, and then I went back to the home page and refreshed it, and then it's added. So you can see how simple it is to add, and you just click on it and it takes you to that website or that area that you need.